Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome again. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to blur image background in Adobe Photoshop. First of all, open your Photoshop, go to Files, select Open, and select the picture that you want to blur the background. Now create a duplicate by hitting on Ctrl+G on the keyboard and uncheck the background layer. Go to the quick selection tool and select subject. The subject is selected, so what we'll do next is to select and mask at the top here. Yeah, we can see the selection tool has done a great job, but in case you want to refine some of the edges, you can select this button here and put some edges on it. So we come down here and select decontaminate colors here. So we click on it and come to the output tool and select new layer with layer mask and hit OK. Now we can see the background is gone. What we'll do is check the middle layer, uncheck the top layer, and also uncheck the down layer. Remember, uncheck the layer marks and also uncheck the background layer. Make sure to select the middle layer here. Go to lasso tool and select the model. Go to edit and choose fill. Drop down, make sure you select content aware here. Select OK. Now hit Ctrl+D on the keyboard to deselect. Now go to filter, select blur. This time make sure you select lens blur. Now come to the top here, shapes. Make sure you select hexagon 6. The threshold should be 100, remember. Don't touch the bleed, don't touch the rotation, don't touch the brightness. Come to the threshold and select 255. Hit OK. Now let's bring back our model. Now you can see the model's background is blurred, but if you think the background, the image is too sharp for you or too white, you can come down here and choose color lookup. Let's select load 3D loads here, and I will select a load of 3strip.look. You can see the color is changed. If you think the color of the background is too sharp for you and too bright, you can come to the opacity here, select the opacity and reduce the opacity down. So this is how you blur image background in Adobe Photoshop. Remember to subscribe to the channel and also hit the notification bell, share and comment so that this channel will be recommended to more people to watch. Also motivate me to bring you more of this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.